Go to browser and search for Davanchi Resolve. Click on the first link. Scroll down. Click on Download Now. Select the type of device you have from the given category. Fill in the details. It could be anything. I just wrote some random names and stuff. After that, click on Register and Download on the right bottom corner. A phone number is important if you want to download this. The file is getting downloaded on the left bottom corner. After the file is downloaded, just go to Downloads and click on Show in Folder. Show in Folder. Moving it to a new folder in desktop makes it easy for access. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, now right click on the file and click extract here. The file is getting extracted. Now double click on the file. Further instructions happen. Okay, so the black screen is actually my administrator asking for permission to access the files on this computer. That is why the screen report blacked it out. And now install the cloud components they have asked for. Don't select anything new, they have already selected what is needed, so just click on install and they will be installed. It will take some time. Okay, now we're here. Click on next. Agree to the terms. And next. See file path that is shown to me. Click on next. And install. Okay, here we go. At the end of the installation, they will ask the system to be restarted. Restart your system, and you can find yourself an icon on the desktop. Yeah, just double click on that, and you're good to go. They ask for some stuff at the start, like I don't remember those actually, but there's something. And after that, another window comes up, and you have to create a new project there. Just name it anything you want. Create new project. After that, you will come to the Davanchi Resolve, the big screen. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, do as I did on the script, more files getting downloaded now. It's almost at the end. Yeah, see that window? Like, restart your system too.